Guys, this is Ritesh. Welcome you to my channel Art Active. Today I'm going to tell you how to install Ubuntu 20.04. This is a new Ubuntu. So please check. This is the I'm going to tell you how to install in VMware. Okay, this is I have mounted the DVD on the local ISO. Now you can check. This is the display. Now disk is booting to VMware. Let's wait for that. Now this is Ubuntu 20.04 LTS Ubuntu server TTY. So friends, Ubuntu 20.04 has been released and everyone is comparing it from the Windows that this desktop version has been replaced the window from your laptop. Well, let's see what happens. Today I'm going to install it on server because I think everyone has made this video for the desktop. Then today I'm going to make for the server. Let's check this up and down for now our language English. So I select English. I have just pressed enter. Layout English, variant English, and now it is showing done. So I click enter. So there you have see the in server it is showing the Ethernet port also. You can change continue without network or continue with network, and you can create bond also. You can see here. So I will continue without network. Proxy server, I don't have any server, so I will escape it here. Mirror server, okay. Configure the guided storage layout or create custom one. Use the entire disk. You can either select, but I am selecting the use entire disk. Then tab, done. If you want any custom things, then you can ask me. I will do it again. Now you can see file system summary. It is total disk size, available devices, nothing. Used devices, this one. So I am clicking on done, enter. Are you sure to want to continue? Press tab to continue, enter to continue. Your name, you can ask name. I am writing Ubuntu. Your server name Ubuntu. Pick a username Ubuntu. I am writing everything is Ubuntu. You can choose any different one. I am writing a password. So as you can see, this is more simple than Ubuntu 18, and click done. Install as a server, because this is a server, so you have to install, press is space bar for that. So I don't want to import any identity, so you can say this is very much advanced than Ubuntu 18. Click done. So now it's installing on the server. It is very simple and very fast as compared to the 18.04. As you can see, this is very, it is asking very less questions and very fast. This is installed and now it is asking for reboot. So we will reboot the system now. And after reboot, you can see no CD-ROM has been disattached from the server. Now VMware has started and now you can see, wait for some time, it's restarting. I think this server gives me a feeling of cloud. Username and the password. See, now it's installed Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. subscribe my channel and make sure click the bell icon. So thank you friends. Bye bye. From it I will configure the Ethernet port IP. So you have to reach for the IP. This is the ENS60. I have only one Ethernet port. So check which one you have. Edit IP4. I have IP4. You can go for that and click enter. Go for the manual. We have to enter the IP in CIDR form. CIDR I will write 192.168.11.0./24. That means you can use this range IP for 24. This is not, you have to for the, I think if you are using the old servers you are writing the 255.255.255, but not here. You have to write in this manner. For address 192.168.11.23, you have to aware about that. Then gateway 192.168.11.1. okay. Now for the name servers for the Google, if you have no any name server, then use Google's. Otherwise, if you have your name servers, you can separate by commas. I have one name server, but I am using Google also. 1 2 3. Okay. Search domains. I don't have any domains, so you can click here, save. Now your IP has been static IP has been assigned. It is applied and click done.